to a beat. My knees begin to shudder, shake to the brain, and I'm looking for something can generate heat and type of energy. Heat you feel it radiate. Heat how easy can it be? Heat does move to generate. I feel the feel the heat energy. I feel the radiate from you in ways to me. My blood would go to most layers rapidly, and I'll feel warm from my head to feet. He feel the energy. He knows waves will radiate. He it's easy as can be. He almost will generate.
So, do you like that song? Why do you think I am singing that one? Yes, you are right. Because in today's video, we'll be talking about heat and its importance. But what is heat?
Heat is the form of energy that is transferred between systems or objects with different temperatures. It is also referred to as heat energy or thermal energy. Heat energy flows from a warmer object to a cooler object.
Do you know that there are 3 methods of transferring heat? We have conduction, convection, and radiation. What is conduction? Conduction is the transfer of heat by molecular contact. It happens most effectively in solids.
Here you see a metallic spoon and a lighted match underneath it. What we know is that the spoon is going to heat up. And it's not just a part of a spoon that's over the match, but rather the entire spoon as well. And the reason that happened is because of conduction. The energy from the flame is causing the molecules within the spoon to be agitated, and that will cause the transferring of energy from one molecule to the next, to the next, to the next, till the entire spoon has warmed up.
The second one is convection. Convection is a flow of energy that occurs when a warm liquid or gas passes through, or as a result of density differences. It is most effective in liquid and gases.
Again, let's have that lighted match. And let's think about this for a minute. We all know it's not a good idea to put your hand above an open flame like this. And that's because a lot of heat energy generated by the flame is going to rise. That's purely because of the process of convection. You see, what's happening is the flame is causing the air to expand. And when it expands, it becomes less dense than the surrounding air and therefore floats upward, and with it goes some of the heat energy.
Radiation, on the other hand, is the movement of energy through a vacuum. The heat transfer by wave motion.
Let's put the lighted match for the last time. We already know that because of convection, heat rises. But don't you know that it also travels outwards in the form of waves of energy, the electromagnetic waves, and that's the third type of heat transfer. Radiation is really interesting as it doesn't need any material to travel. That means it can occur out in an open, empty space. In fact, this is how the energy travels from Earth's sun to the surface of the Earth. So, let's sum all 3 heat transfers in one diagram by looking at something as simple as a campfire. Right now, in this picture, we are seeing all 3 types of heat transfer take place. There's conduction happening as flame transferring energy directly to and throughout the pot. Additionally, there's convection as heat from both the boiling point and the flame itself is rising up. And finally, there's radiation occurring all around the campfire as the energy travels away from the flame, making the surrounding warm.
On the other hand, do you know that we, humans, have heat energy in our body? And we usually have a body temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, that is equivalent to 37 degrees Celsius. Anyway, what is temperature?
Temperature is the measure of how fast an object's particles are moving. The faster an object's particles move, the higher the temperature. It can be measured by using a thermometer.
In physical science, heat is important to all aspects of life, especially plants and animals.
Plant life relies on heat, among other things as well. Just like plants, animals and humans consume food which provides calories for the body. Lastly, energy from the sun is also converted into usable energy. In combustion engines, fuel is burned and produces a different type of heat energy. As a result, old trains ran only with burning coal, homes containing stoves, usually powered by natural gas or electricity.
But since heat is a result of energy, it may be beneficial most of the time, but we can't deny that it is dangerous at the same time. That's why we have to be careful in handling stuff for us to be safe always. I hope this video gave you another learning. This is your science buddy Lex Lucenio saying goodbye and stay safe everyone.